Hello everybody, today we are going to learn about date and time function in Excel. There are three main functions about date and time, such as today, now, date. We also include in format text or format the date that we want to custom any date that we want. So we can write the formula here. Just write today, so we will show it what is day is today, and we can custom our format that we want, because some people will be confusing about month come first or date come first, so we better to format our value. We just use text about our value and format text. Format text here we can write dd slash slash double y. Here is the result. If we use we also can write like this. The amount, the number of VR so YY or is to see about it here. If we just want our text, we can custom any number, any format that we want. If we want to show full year, here like this. Here is the formula of now or of today, and we can custom format text in any that we want. Here's now. The now formula is a bit different from today because it's so time. So here if we plus the 7 and then the number is changed, okay, because we change all the number. Okay, we also can combine our text. For example, if we would like to say this video start at write text value and format text. Format text of time is plus double A and you can see here and press enter. Okay. About this date, if we use for with the format that not that as this example, I can copy the formula here. Okay, to here. As you can see, this is not, it is just the general, it's not the number or it's not about our format date. So if we have a lot of data, what should we do about the date? It's just the text. So we use that function. We just write that year. So we need to use left formula like this. Year is have 4 mid. Text is this, and we can find. We should find this and slash B2 comma number 1 slash 1 minus 2 here month already month and date plus right comma 2 we verify here fine here find we find this English okay go so here is the date function we also can custom by use shortcut Ctrl+C number 3 into our date we convert in only one formula by you combine with left mid right if you want to know more about the text function left find or right we have another video about semantic function you can search in my channel if you have any comment please comment below thank you for your watching